So Telluride's your spot, but you're not quite ready for a full-size home. You need 4 bedrooms and a high-quality ski access condo. Welcome to Cassidy Ridge D101. Let's check it out. This kitchen is a chef's dream. Not only do we have simplicity and elegance, but of course we have the marble, live edge, floating shelves, Viking range. Let's be honest, this floor is where we're going to spend most of our time in the kitchen, living with an excellent open floor plan. This is perfect though for both your trips, where it's maybe just a couple, where you aren't getting lost in a massive floor plan. It's designed so you can have an intimate small space where it's just, say, the two of you. And then when you're hosting the entire group, the rest of the floor plan is downstairs consolidated. You can easily sleep an additional 6 to 12 people downstairs, or you can just have a cozy, more intimate experience on this main living area for those shorter, smaller trips. Here on the main level is our primary suite. We have this large bedroom, oversized bathroom with ample storage and a jacuzzi tub. Cozy fireplace. Let's go downstairs. Here we are downstairs. This is where your guests and your children will stay. We have 3 additional bedrooms and a bunk room. Quick check for the laundry room. Guest bathroom with the double sink, tub, and shower. These are all north-facing windows that bring in ample light and excellent views of the San Sofias. And one more bedroom. So as a wrap, this unit was 3,457 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Amenities you didn't see in this clip include an oversized ski room and gear room, an exercise gym room, private covered parking in the garage with additional gear storage. All right. Nobody wants to walk up and down these stairs, but let me tell you, just like most of Telluride, the very best things are actually kind of a secret. And you're going to have to call us if you want the unofficial, true ski into it, ski access.